You already know that conventional thinking will get you conventional results. If you want better outcomes, you need better thoughts, better feelings, and better behaviours. So let's expand on that and take a mini journey that transcends the boundaries of conventional thinking. Let's explore the fascinating realms of quantum physics and mysticism, where love becomes a vortex. Let's explore the profound impact emotionalising your ideas has on the manifestation of your health, your wealth, your relationships, your beauty, your power, your fulfilment, and your success. Love is not merely an emotion. It's a force, a vortex that draws towards you the very essence of life's most precious gifts. So imagine a vortex, like a portal of energy that connects you to the universe. And within this vortex, through this portal, through this doorway, lies the power to transform your reality. So when I'm talking about love, I'm not talking about romantic love, although a healthy dose of that can certainly propel you forward, right? I'm talking about the universal force that connects all living beings, the energy that binds us to each other, to everyone and everything in the universe. So both the physicists and the mystics tell us that everything you desire already exists in the quantum field. Everything that you desire already exists in the universe. If you can think of it, if you can see it in your mind's eye, if you can see it in your imagination, have seen someone else with it, or you just know that it's available, then it already exists. Your clear, precise thoughts, clear electrical signals from your mind and your brain, from your inner masculine, when combined with the magnetizing love from your heart and your inner feminine, will magnetize what you've focused on through the love vortex, through your love portal into your physical life. There's a power in emotionalising your ideas. There's a power in uniting your inner masculine and feminine. Your thoughts aren't just random. Your thoughts are consequences of your beliefs, and they're the architects of your reality. When you infuse your ideas with emotion, you activate a magnetic force that attracts similar energies from the universe. When you infuse your ideas with negative emotions, you magnetize negative people, situations, things, and events towards you. And when you infuse your ideas with love and positive emotions, you magnetize positive people, situation, things, and events to you. So think of your ideas as energy. When you add emotion to them, you elevate their frequency, and this heightened frequency acts as a beacon, sending out signals to the universe, sending out signals that have your QR code on them, aligning your reality with the very essence of your emotionalized thoughts. So as your emotionalized ideas gain momentum within the love vortex, you'll begin to witness profound effects on your life, on your health, your wealth, your relationships, on your spiritual connection, and will manifest with a clarity and speed that may seem almost magical. And the stronger your focus, the longer the time, and the more frequently you apply your attention, the more momentum you'll gain. And there's a well-known secret amongst highly successful people and master manifestors. And the secret is to write down what you've decided to create. Include when you're going to create it by, who you're going to be from this point on, so that you are a match for what you're saying that you'd like in your life. Emotionalize your ideas. Feel the feelings of great love while you think about your ideas. Read it aloud twice a day while you're feeling the feelings of great love. And then you'll have it. For millennia, countless individuals around the world have embraced the power of emotionalising their ideas with their love vortex. And their stories are their testament to the extraordinary transformation that occurs when you align your decisions, your thoughts, your feelings, and your behaviours with the universal forces of love. So what are you going to create? More of what you've created so far? Or something else? Write it down. When will you create it by? What will you do to bring it into being? What will you stop doing that's likely to block it from coming? For example, if you say that you want to be whatever your ideal weight is, but continue to eat the quantity and quality of foods that have caused you to not be that ideal weight, that are specifically blocking you from being that weight, it's an obvious mismatch, right? So recall the feelings of great love into your heart and your body. You know, my go-to is the euphoria after childbirth, the encompassing feeling of great love that goes with birthing another person onto the planet. So what is your go-to feeling of great love that you can instantly recall whenever you need it? Read your statement aloud twice a day. You know, while you feel the feelings of great love, while you emotionalize your ideas. Read your statement each morning and night while your inner masculine and feminine thoughts and feelings are both online. Now remember that great love is not just an abstract concept. It's a force, a vortex that can shape your reality. So by emotionalizing your clear and conscious ideas with your love vortex, you unlock the door to a life filled with health, wealth, loving relationships, beauty, power, fulfilment, success, or whatever you decide upon. Embrace your love vortex. Watch and be grateful as the universe responds to your emotionalized thoughts and with boundless abundance, in accordance with your clarity and decisions. Your journey towards a more fulfilling and successful life begins with a single thought, fueled by the power of your own heart and your own love. You know what to do. Write it down and like and subscribe and share, and I'll see you in the next one.